Welcome to DevRev's Search Agent, your powerful tool designed to streamline your workflow. With the Search Agent, you can quickly find answers, draft responses, and leverage your organization's knowledge base. To get started, simply press Command K to open the search or simply head over to the Search tab and access the Search Agent. When you're ready to query, try framing your questions into full sentences rather than asking it for just keywords. This approach helps the agent provide more accurate and relevant responses. The search agent is conversational. It remembers the context of your chart, allowing you to ask follow-up questions and dive deeper into topics. This seamless connection between the queries gives you richer, more detailed answers. But it doesn't stop there. DevRev's Search Agent is also your go-to tool for drafting content, whether it's an email, a customer response, or a quick message. The agent taps into your organization's knowledge base to craft professional, tailored messages. As you use the search agent, don't forget to provide feedback, that is, thumbs up for helpful results and thumbs down for less accurate ones. If you're starting a new topic, be sure to clear the chart to reset the context. This ensures that the agent remains focused on your new query with maximum accuracy. And for your convenience, you can also resize the window to fit your workflow, keeping it accessible while you can multitask. This is a DevRev's Search Agent, intelligent, intuitive, and built to help you work smarter.